it's Dart Gun and Rain. Today we're going to be reviewing the newest Happy Meal toys for August 2023, and this is Nerf. Number 1 is the free throw challenge. So we got a basketball. It's orange, different from the Space Jam basketball, which were like orangish red. We got the ring, and then the border, which looks ripped but fine. It's broken. And we got the background. Nope. And there, shoot. Flying disc launcher. So this is a frisbee basically. McDonald's clearly does not know what a frisbee is, so they'll just say flying disc. Then we got these 3 cards. We got 10, 20, and 30. So we have to fly this and knock them all over. So let's see. Let's just do one little game. So what did I knock over?
3.
These are the 3 open ones. We got the loop and launch challenge. So we got 8 discs, which looks like a coin. So maybe you might go to your bank and deposit this accidentally. It's a fake coin, so no price or anything. So then it looks more like a little Hot Wheels race track, except it's blue and purple and not orange and blue. I have a track that looks similar to that, but the rubber broke off. So this is probably my favorite out of the 3 so far. So go! And that was a complete no, it didn't hit. So this is called the launch ramp challenge. So nice. Then we got a target here, which is a giant blue thing. So if you're a kid that likes to play without those paper thingamajigs, that's nice. The Shake the Disc challenge, and this is already open, so if for some reason it opened by itself, it's alive, it's living. So we got this, whatever this is. We got a disc, and there we go. So it looks like a staircase for some reason. And then we got this, whatever that heck is this. Maybe like a trapezoid thing. I like this bucket. We got another disc. We need scissors. Little green light couldn't come today. He was sick, and that means I don't know where he is. So okay, so let's take one by one. We got that. We got this, which is probably the launcher. And then we got this here, which is like a roof. It looks like a roof. And then we got, that's a lot of parts. Oh, like that. Maybe. Let's see. Looks like looks like a.
You're supposed to hang something. Do you want me to hang it?
Oh, you know, oh, it's okay. And then let's go with this boy. Bad boy right here. This is the bounce and catch challenge. Whoa. Careful. Alright, so we got a lot here. So we got a ball. Please, not going away. Oh, it's rolling away. This looks like a poop. An orange poop. We got string. We got another one. And then we got these. This is a huge bag. So let's take each and everything out. We got, this is targets probably. Pop these out. Let's pop these out. Looks like, that looks weird. It looks like a giant boat. It's like a boat.
Have to connect it. Have to connect it like this, and then you put all the parts inside.
Like this. There you go, that's better. So let's do this. Okay, so we got a 20. We knocked out the 20. First we got 2 more. Actually, no, we got only 1 left. So this is the last one. The Pop and Catch Challenge. This looks like this year McDonald's is like doing a lot of the real life toys. Like Squishmallows, Nerf. By the way, that Squishmallows will get 3K views. They gotta come out. And they're like doing like toys that actually are you can buy on like in real life. Like I don't know, like Nerf, like you can buy that. That's from Hasbro. Squishmallows is like Kelly Toys or something like that. Look at that, they put 2 entirely plastics in here. We got the thingies. I think this is the launcher type of thing. We got the ball. Looks like this is the ball set. There's a lot of balls. Obviously, a lot of balls. Like someone bit out of them. Looks like a child. Looks like a 5-year-old bit it, and this is the pop catch challenge. And then you have to catch it. That's why it's called. So it's catch. Oh, well, that was. Try to go. Oh, I caught it using my shoulder. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you really enjoy it. And let me know which is your favorite. So my favorites are again the pop catch challenge, the loop challenge, I think that's called, and then the sync the disc challenge. First shout out goes to my parents. Thank you and my grandparents and ate. Thank you that we ate at McDonald's for after Moriper yesterday, and then me, Dada, and Mama ate at Makati McDonald's, and we bought 7 and 8, which was this one and the sync the disc challenge. So thank you guys, and shout out to the pops, the cute guys. So hope to see you. I mean, to talk to you later or on Mondays, because I'm going to use the Zello. 2 happy birthdays this August. Well, technically one is July. So happy birthday to you, Dr. Abania. I hope I will be able to have my eye checkup on St. Luke's. Maybe this month, maybe next month, I don't know. Happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday, late happy birthday delayed. And then to Lolo Junior / Lolo Ilhong in heaven. Okay. And I hope you enjoy your birthday in heaven. And I love you. And I don't know why Dada calls you Ilong. So, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you really enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Where this bucket is like the chicken bucket that you get in Jollibee. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video, which my birthday is next month, so maybe I'll do a birthday vlog. Who knows? Okay, bye now.